Tring, 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 tring. Hello, this is CSTC Restaurant. How may I help you, ma'am?
I would like to make a reservation.
Or may I know your name?
Angela Bulao.
Okay. On how many times, ma'am, do you want to reserve?
For 2 person, please.
On what date do you want to reserve your reservation, ma'am?
April 16, 2026.
At what time of arrival, ma'am?
8 p.m.
May I know your address, ma'am?
Barangay Dalaragadyo San Pablo.
Okay, ma'am. May I know your contact number?
09345678.
Okay. Do you have any special request, ma'am?
None.
I will repeat your reservation format. So the table reservation is under the name of Angela for 2 packs on the date of April 16, 2026 at the time of arrival at 8 p.m. Your address is Barangay Dalaragadyo San Pablo, Laguna, and your contact number is 09134567. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for patronizing CSPC, and we are looking forward